Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the Servus XTP chemical-resistant steel toe work boots. These injection molded PVC boots feature triple density technology for total waterproof protection against harsh chemicals. You get a removable contour cushion insole that provides excellent arch support for long work days. The dual compound sole offers superior cushioning, while a wide steel shank stabilizes your every step. An open pattern outsole self-cleans debris and liquid to keep you steady on slippery surfaces. The steel toe meets safety standards, and reinforced stress points ensure these boots last through tough jobs. They are perfect for industrial work, oil rigs, or food processing environments where safety is a priority. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.